Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the Cheshire Cat makeup tutorial. It's one I've wanted to do for a while, but I really like how it turned out. I think it looks really cool and creepy. So let's get started. We're going to start with the mouth, and I'm going to start with a little bit of black on a brush, and we're just going to start kind of angling it out where we want. So now that we have the outline, we're going to fill in back here a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see this. Because this is where we're not putting the teeth. While we have the black paint out, I'm going to draw up here where the nose would separate, and then we're going to draw little whiskers. Fill in a little bit on the bottom here. I'm actually going to go the whole way around. Right, so now we're going to start working on the teeth. I have this really fine little brush. I'm just going to wipe the black paint off of here onto this makeup wipe so it doesn't get everywhere. We're going to take a little bit of white and start drawing the pointy teeth. So now we're going to do the eyebrows. I'm going to use a fuchsia kind of pomade cream shadow. So there we have that. Now we're going to do the eyes, and we're going to use a little bit of Nyx base. Now the shadows I'm using today are actually from Disney, so if you guys can't get them, I will leave some listed dupes down below, but I'm just using this palette here, and I'm going to start with the darkest shade. On a fluffy brush, going to go in, and we're going to start with our crease. Bringing it in like to the inner corner and out, and you can kind of see it touches the brow bone, not all the way though. Now I'm going to use the lighter pink shade, and we're going to blend underneath the eyebrows. A packing brush, I'm going to go into this medium pink and pack this all over the lid. So I did put on my lashes, my wig, which is way thinner than I realized. You can actually see the wig cap, so I'll have to fix that. And I popped in some extensions right here, so we have like a little two-tone. Going on, so now we're going to do the neck. And I'm taking a pigment from Concrete Minerals, and it's a dark pink. We're just going to start our stripes, which I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply, and just kind of letting it thin out as it gets to the back. Like the color, not the thickness of the stripe. And I do have one contact in because the other one did not want to go in today. When it comes to my eyes, I don't like forcing that stuff. So I'm just gonna make this thicker. Okay, and now we're gonna leave a little bit of space, about that much, and start the next one. So with the pigment I have left, I'm going to add some details around my face, like little wisps of pink, kind of like where my contour would be almost, but just for like cat purposes. I'm going to take a flat brush and some white, and we're going to fill in those spaces. So this is my Cheshire Cat look. Just pull the two-tone forward so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. I really wish I could get the other contact in because I think the yellow looks really cool. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye!